Well, we begin by putting the original document onto the glass to make a copy. It begins copying from this top left corner, so make sure your documents are tucked in tightly. Once the original has been placed onto the glass, go ahead and close the top lid. Now you're going to want to come down here to the number pad and enter your 7-digit student ID number. Once you've entered the number, go ahead and put OK on the touchscreen. And now here we are with the main interface. If you're confused by this interface, you can push the simplified display over here, and that'll make things much easier for you to look at. Well, in this time, we're not going to use the simplified display because there's more features available with the regular screen. Now, students said that they wanted the image enlarged. Well, that's done very simply down here in this lower left right-hand corner where it says Reduce and Enlarge. Currently, the size is set to 65. You could use one of these presets along the top, or you could manually scale it up by pressing and holding the button until you get to the desired percentage. Once I've set my enlargement to the right size, I'm going to press the OK button, and here we are back at the main screen. A few things I would like to double check is to make sure that we're doing a black and white image. Also, we have the text/photo option selected because it will give us the most clarity on our graphics and text. At this point, we want to set now the number of copies that we need. In this case, student mentioned that he just needed 1, so we're going to leave it at 1. And now we're ready to hit the start button and begin the copy job. Uh-oh, it says that it can't detect the original size. What do we do now? Let's take a look. I see that my document here is just under 11 inches long, and it's just under 8.5 inches long as well. Currently, I have the auto paper select function enabled, and I need to disable that. And so instead, I'm going to push number 1, 8.5 by 11. Now that that's done, it won't be looking for the specific size. I told it what size to scan. So now when I press the start button, voila, we get a copy.